Imagine a hotel room with infinitely many rooms. Every room is occupied. There's no vacancies, but someone turns up and asks for a room. So what does the manager do? Does the manager turn around and say, sorry buddy, not today, we're full, no vacancies, our infinite number of rooms are filled by infinite number of people? No, it does not say that, because this manager wants this hotel to do well. So this idea, this is Hilbert's Grand Hotel, and it's a thought experiment by David Hilbert. And in this strange hotel, even when it's full, there is always room for more guests. So in order to make space for this extra guest, the manager just gets everyone to shift down one. So if you're in room 1, you move to room 2. If you're in room 2, you move to room 3, and so on and so forth, for infinity. And then what that leaves us with is an empty room that can now be filled by this new guest. But it gets weirder. So let's imagine an infinite number of new guests show up. Then what? Well, the manager, being used to this sort of thing, being the manager of an infinite hotel, just gets everybody to go to their room door, look at the number and say, what number are you in? Now go to the room that is double that number. And what this does is it moves that infinite number of people all into even numbered rooms. So that frees up the infinite number of odd numbered rooms. Therefore, the infinite number of new guests that have arrived now each have a room. Now this all sounds like pure math, but it is something that philosophers love too, because it pushes us all to question, what does it really mean for something to be infinite? Infinity is a weird thing, right? It doesn't behave like a number. It's something that we can't really sort of visualize or conceive in any sort of intuitive way as human beings. And as a result of that, it pushes us to think about, what it really means for something to be infinite, and can infinities actually exist, or are they just strange artifacts of our imagination and our mathematical tools? So it's a really interesting thing to think about. Mind-bending for sure, but very, very interesting.